Hi everybody, this is Algebra 1, Lesson 46, and in this lesson we're going to cover conjunctions. Now, I know conjunctions is a word for English, but it's also a word for lesser than or greater than, and this is when we use two lesser than or greater than signs to designate a set of numbers. So draw a number line and graph the solution to this. So I'm going to draw my number line here. Just going to use this to draw it. And I want that to be black. Here we go. All right, so here's my number line. Draw a number line and graph the solution of 5 is less than x and x is less than 10. So that means if 5 is less than x, that means it has to be, let's say we've got, let's go 3. Actually, we got to go all the way up to 10. I think I'm going to mark this as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That'll work. Okay, so 5 is less than x. That means 5 is not equal to x. So we have to use a circle there. And that means that x is going to be everything that's greater than 5. We're going to go this way. Okay, up to 10. Okay, and x is not equal to 10. X is less than 10, so we're going to use a circle on the 10. Then we're going to connect everything in between. So that means it's any numbers that are between 5 and 10. Okay, so that's what a conjunction is. It's telling you numbers, x is going to be anything that's greater than 5 but less than 10. All right, let's try another example. Draw a number line and graph the solution of -2 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 4. So for this one, I'm going to draw my number line real quick. All right, and I'm going to start with marking this number line. So I got -2, so I'm going to start with -3, -4, -5, -6. Wait, I went the wrong way. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I need to get up to at least 4, and we'll go to 5. Okay, so on this one, -2 is less than x. That means x is everything over -2, and it's not equal to -2, so we're going to draw a circle. And then we're going to run this all the way up until we get to 4. And see, it's less than or equal to 4. So we want to fill that circle in on 4 because it could be equal to 4. And then we just connect those two. Super easy. So it's anything between 2 and 4, and it can be equal to 4, but it cannot be equal to -2. All right, let's try another one. Write a conjunction that describes this graph. So on this graph, we have the bottom number is going to be a 5. All right, and it's filled in. That circle's filled in. Let's zoom in here a little bit. My circle is filled in, so that means it could be equal to 5. So we're going to have -5 and is less than or equal to x. Okay, and then on this side is 0. So x is less than 0. It's not equal to because it's an open circle, not filled in. Okay, so that's the answer to that one. All right, so you're always going to have x in the middle, your bottom number to the left, your highest number to the right, and then these are always going to face towards the right. And then on the ones that could be equal to, where the circle's filled in right here, you have to have or equal to. All right, let's try another example. Write a conjunction that designates the numbers that are greater than -1 and less than or equal to 5. All right, so I need it to be greater than -1. So -1 would be less than x, and x would be less than or equal to 5. All right, so -1 is less than x, because it says the numbers that are greater than -1, not equal to -1. So here's my x in the middle. It's everything that's greater than -1, but it's less than or equal to 5. These are actually really super easy. So go ahead and work the practice problems, and then push play on the video again, and I'll work them for you. All right, so hopefully you work those practice problems. This one is A. And we are supposed to draw a number line and graph the solutions to -5 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 4. So I'm just going to draw a number line. And I know my lowest needs to be around, I'll do -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so there's my number line. Okay, so now I need -5 at the bottom here. So everything, x is everything that's greater than -5, but not equal to. So -5 is greater than, but not equal to. So that needs to be an open circle. That did not work at all. To go to a regular pen instead of a highlighter. All right, so this one's an open circle on -5. And then my 4 over here, it could be equal to 4. So I'm going to fill that one in. And then I'm just going to draw a line from there to there. Boom. Easy peasy. All right. Next problem. B. Draw a number line and graph the solution of -7 is less than x, which is less than -2. All right, so on this one, I'm just going to draw my number line, and I'm going to do -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. I don't have to keep going because I'm stopping at -2. All right, so my first one says -7, and it's not equal to, so I'm going to draw an open circle. And then my next one says -2. It's not equal to, it's just less than, so I'm going to go and draw an, oh, not there, -2. -2 is there, open circle, and then I'm just going to connect the two with a line. Boom, there's your answer. Easy peasy. All right. C. Write a conjunction that describes this graph. Okay, so this one, we're going to be starting with -3. So that's the first one I'm going to write. -3 is less than x, and there's no equals to because it's an open circle. And then I'm going to put less than or equal to, because this is a closed circle right here, closed circle, 2. All right, so that is the answer to C. Okay, and I think there was one more. Write a conjunction that designates the numbers that are greater than or equal to, let me see here, that are greater than or equal to -2 and less than 5. So -2 is less than or equal to x, means x is greater than or equal to -2, and less than 5. So x is less than 5. And there's the answer to that one. Easy peasy. So you just got to know where to put these. And the greater than or equal to right here is this one. The less than is that one. Okay. All right, that is it for lesson, what was this, 46? Don't even remember. 46. So that's it for lesson 46. Do 46 for homework and bring to class on Wednesday. Thanks. Bye.